Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sort by function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use sort by function in Microsoft Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see this is the table I have prepared, and now here you will see this is the name of the employee, department, their department, and this is joining date. Now I want to sort this joining date in descending order. So how to sort this? So you have to use sort by function. Okay, so you have to just click on equals to, then here you have to just type sort by. Okay, then it will ask for array, so choose whole table. Now it will ask for by underscore array 1. So you have to choose the column you want to arrange or sort. Then it will ask for ascending or descending. Now you have to choose whether you want to ascend the column in ascending order or descending order. I want to arrange it in descending order. Now you have to just play. Now you will see this date column is not good. Okay, you will see. So I'm what you have to do, you have to just format this cell as a date. Okay, so to format you have to just click on more options, and here you will see format option, and then go to format cells. Then here you will see number, just click on it, then go to dates. Okay, then you can choose any format. So I want this format. Okay, now close. So like this you can use sort by function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.